On September 11, 2025, IonQ stock soared to record heights after the UK approved its billion-dollar acquisition of Oxford Ionics. This wasn't just another business deal, it was a pivotal moment for quantum computing worldwide. Investors responded instantly, driving IonQ's shares up over 18% to an all-time high of $56.07. The market's reaction was a resounding vote of confidence in IonQ's bold strategy and the future of quantum technology. For months, the deal had been under intense government review due to national security concerns. The UK's approval, even with strict conditions, signalled a new era of international collaboration in quantum tech. The merger's significance went beyond financials. It marked the creation of a powerhouse in the race for practical, large-scale quantum computers. The surge in IonQ's value reflected the belief that this union could accelerate the arrival of quantum advantage. This was more than a good day for IonQ. It was a turning point for the entire industry. The market wasn't just reacting to a merger, but to the birth of a new leader in a field set to transform the world. This record-breaking performance opened a new chapter for IonQ and the future of computing. To see why this deal matters, let's look at the two companies. IonQ, based in the US, is a public quantum computing company focused on building and operating quantum computers using trapped ion technology. Its systems are among the most powerful available, accessible via the cloud for researchers and businesses. IonQ's mission is scalable commercial quantum computers for real-world problems. Across the Atlantic, Oxford Ionics, a 2019 University of Oxford spin-out, is a leader in cutting-edge quantum hardware. While smaller, Oxford Ionics has pioneered unique methods for controlling qubits with extreme precision. Think of IonQ as building the whole car, while Oxford Ionics perfects a critical engine component. Oxford Ionics founders Dr. Chris Ballance and Dr. Tom Harty are recognized pioneers whose breakthroughs have set new records in qubit control. The company's deep expertise and intellectual property make it a valuable asset. By joining forces, IonQ gains not just technology but the minds behind it. This merger unites system-level vision with component-level mastery. Together, they're positioned to push quantum computing further, faster. The deal is about combining strengths to lead the next wave of quantum innovation. The IonQ Oxford Ionics acquisition is valued at $1.065 billion, mostly in IonQ stock, with $10 million in cash. Oxford Ionics owners aren't just cashing out, they're investing in the future of the combined company. The final share count will be based on IonQ's average stock price before closing, ensuring fair value. The deal was first announced in June 2025 and faced rigorous UK government review under national security laws. With approval secured, the merger is set to close soon. This billion-dollar price tag reflects IonQ's belief in Oxford Ionics technology and talent. It's a strategic move to acquire not just a competitor, but a crucial piece of the quantum puzzle. The merger is designed to unite complementary strengths, accelerating the path to quantum advantage. For IonQ, it's about integrating world-class expertise and intellectual property. The deal positions the new entity as a formidable force in the global quantum race. It's a bold investment in the future of computing. What makes Oxford Ionics worth over $1 billion? Its revolutionary approach to qubit control. Unlike others using complex lasers, Oxford Ionics controls trapped ion qubits with electronic signals on a microchip. This innovation enables world-record qubit fidelity and a more scalable chip-based solution. Their technology leverages standard semiconductor processes, making large, reliable quantum computers more feasible. By acquiring Oxford Ionics, IonQ gains this scalable hardware and the expertise of its founders. Integrating this tech into IonQ's systems could accelerate the development of powerful quantum machines. The merger isn't just about patents, it's about uniting engineering philosophies and talent. Together, they aim to build the next generation of quantum computers, faster. This is the breakthrough IonQ needed to leap ahead. The UK's approval, came with strict national security conditions. Oxford Ionics core operations, staff and facilities must remain in the UK, ensuring Britain stays a quantum innovation hub. All intellectual property and patents must be kept within the UK. The government also requires access to the company's hardware for independent assessment. These measures protect the UK's strategic interests while allowing foreign investment. The approach balances economic growth with technological sovereignty. It's a model for managing critical tech in a globalized world. Why all the fuss over quantum computing? Unlike classical computers, quantum machines use qubits, which can represent multiple states at once. This allows them to tackle problems impossible for today's supercomputers, like simulating molecules for drug discovery or creating new materials. Quantum computing could revolutionize medicine, energy, and finance. It also poses risks. Powerful quantum computers could break current encryption, making national security a top concern. That's why governments are racing to develop quantum-resistant cryptography and their own quantum systems. The technology is a strategic asset with economic and military implications. The IonQ Oxford Ionics deal is about more than business. It's about shaping the future of global power. The race for quantum advantage is on, and every nation wants to lead. The UK's green light triggered a surge in IonQ's stock, signalling strong market approval. Investors saw the merger as a game-changer, creating a more integrated and capable quantum company. Analysts praised the deal for combining IonQ's full-stack approach with Oxford Ionics' hardware mastery. The consolidation is expected to help overcome engineering challenges and speed up commercial quantum computing. The market's excitement reflects growing belief in quantum's commercial potential. The deal also removed months of regulatory uncertainty, unleashing a wave of optimistic buying. IonQ's soaring stock price is a signal quantum computing is moving from theory to reality. The market loves certainty, and this approval provided just that. The merger's success is a bellwether for the entire sector. Investors are betting big on a quantum future. This merger is more than a business deal. It's a leap forward for the quantum industry. By joining forces, IonQ and Oxford Ionics can accelerate progress toward fault-tolerant quantum computers. The primary promise: speed. IonQ can now build on Oxford's breakthroughs instead of reinventing them. This could dramatically shorten the timeline for achieving high-performance quantum hardware. The billion-dollar valuation signals the industry's maturity and attracts more talent and investment. The merger legitimizes quantum computing as a serious, viable sector. The goal: bring quantum power to real-world problems, from drug discovery to climate research. The true promise isn't just a higher stock price, it's unlocking solutions to humanity's toughest challenges. This deal is a strategic move to turn quantum theory into practical technology. The future of computing just got a lot closer. IonQ's acquisition of Oxford Ionics positions it as a quantum frontrunner with technology, talent, and momentum. The market's enthusiastic response gives IonQ a strong foundation for the future. But quantum computing remains a challenging long-term endeavor. Building a large-scale, fault-tolerant quantum computer is still one of the toughest engineering feats. This merger is a major step, but many hurdles remain. Investors should remember the path to quantum advantage will have ups and downs. Some analysts suggest diversifying into established AI companies like NVIDIA for more predictable returns. Still, IonQ's bold move has reshaped the quantum landscape and accelerated the industry's timeline. The deal highlights the strategic importance of quantum technology. The promise is enormous, but it's wise to stay grounded. For now, IonQ has laid a strong foundation to lead the quantum era.